Class 12 students, second order differentiation continuous class. I am doing from sum number 12. Y is equal to a sin log x. We have to show that x square y2 plus xy1 plus y equal to 0. So if you differentiate both sides with respect to x, here it is y1 and dy dx matter is same. A is constant, sin x will be cos x, log x is considered as x, so again 1 by x is coming here, this x you multiply here, squaring both sides, so it is x square y1 square equal to a square cos square this. Now again differentiate, so x square is there, uv differentiation, u into d dx of v, so y1 square it is 2y1 into 2, here x to the power n formula applied, n into, that is 2 into x to the power n minus 1, that is this to the power n minus 1, that is power 1, and d dx of y1 is y2 plus y1 square into d dx of x square is 2x. Here a square is constant, cos this whole square, so this one whole square means this to the power n formula, that is n into this to the power n minus 1, that is 1 power 1. Again cos x differentiation minus sin x, again x differentiation, that is log x differentiation 1 by x. Now this is calculation, so cos log x, a by x, cos log x, it is y1, so that is written y1 minus sin log x. Then here 2y1 into y, what is the value of y? A sin log x, see, a sin log x is y. If you divide by 2y1 both sides, then 2y1 will be cut, then the remaining portion is this. Bring y left side, the proof you got, so the sum is done. See here y equal to given, we have to prove this thing. So if you differentiate both sides with respect to x, here it is y dash or y1 or dy dx, cos x consider, this log x is consider x, then cos log x is minus sin log x into log x differentiation 1 by x, again sin x, that is cos x, again log x differentiation 1 by x, you multiply by x, so this x will come here. So again if you differentiate, here u into v differentiation, that is x into y double dash plus y dash into x differentiation 1, minus 3 is here, sin x differentiation cos x, again log x 1 by x, 5 is here cos x, that is minus sin x, again log x differentiation 1 by x, multiply by this x square, multiply this side, then here x will cut, here x will cut, x square y double dash x y dash here, so this is equal to y, see here this is equal to y, so that value I put here, y take left side, minus become plus, that is the proof. This sum, see I am explaining here, y equal to x square cos x. So if you differentiate, this will be u into v differentiation. So d dx of x square is 2x, this one same, again x square same, cos x is minus sin x. Now multiply this term by x. If you multiply, this is xy1, this is 2x square cos x, this is x cubes minus x cubes sin x. Why do I multiply? Actually I want to put x square cos x equal to y. See here, x square cos x. Again differentiating with respect to x, here u into v differentiation. So x into d dx of y1 is y2, y1 into d dx of x is 1. That is not written. Again 2 is there, d dx of y is y1. Here u into v differentiation. So u into d dx of sin x is cos x, and sin x into x square differentiation 3 sin x square. Since here minus, so here plus become minus. Now simplification, here you can write x square cos x into x, and this value you can put y, and here x cube sin x, you can write x cube sin x, this x cube sin x equal to this minus this, that is written. Now simplify only, then get answer. Then number 15, given y equal to this, we have to prove this. So x to the power n formula apply, n into x to the power n minus 1, here m, so m minus 1. Again d dx of this, so d dx of x is 1, this to the power half, so half into this to the power half minus 1, that is minus half, so down become root over, and d dx of x square is 2x. Now multiply by x square plus a square, then this will come here, cross multiplication, and this power 1 and this power m minus 1. So this to the power m minus 1 plus 1, so 1 cut, m is left. Power m is left. Here I forgot to give m. Now this value is y. See here, this y you put here. Now squaring both sides. Here y1 square, here root cancel, here m square, y square. Again differentiating, u into v differentiation. So y1 square into differentiation of this is 2x. A square is constant, I have not written. Again this into y1 square differentiation 2y1 y2, and here m square, again differentiation, that is 2y into y1. Now divide by 2y1, then you will get this. Take this on left side and the proof has come. That's all for this video.